Hi. As you may know, the U.S. Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, or FMCSA, created the Hours of Service, also known as HOS mandate, that must be followed by all drivers that are required to maintain a records of duty status. Our Fleet Metriks HOS mobile app is compliant with the latest FMCSA rules and regulations, and with it, you'll be able to automatically keep track of all records of duty status and easily provide a driver's log that is accurate. This video will focus on two things. Number one, the setup of the ECM, and number two, the use of the application as a driver. The ECM, also known as the Electronic Control Module, is the device that is connected between the engine's dashboard and the application. After our Fleet Metriks staff has installed the ECM inside your truck or vehicle, you will proceed to set it up on the application. First, we make sure to turn the vehicle on. Next, we open the Fleet Metriks HOS app and go to the menu option in the upper right hand corner and click the support button. This will take you to the support login page, where you will enter the last 4 digits of your support ID. Next, we make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled on your phone or tablet, and then click on the Scan Devices button on the bottom of the page. The ECM will have the name Cyrus 3G on it. Click it, and the diagnostic procedure will automatically start. If any of the steps fail, please contact a Fleet Metriks representative for more information. Once the ECM passes the diagnostics procedure, you will enter the vehicle's information on the application. Enter the tractor number, trailer number, the VIN number, and the odometer of your vehicle. You can leave the operating mode as ELD, then simply press Save. You have now completed the setup of the ECM. Each driver using the application will have a unique login ID. This login name and password is for your use only and must not be shared with any other person. After authenticating, you will be asked to link the ECM once again. Here you will scan the devices and go through the diagnostic procedure similar to the setup. Once that is complete, you must update the correct vehicle's information. Please enter the correct tractor number, trailer number, tractor VIN number, as well as the odometer reading on the truck's dashboard. We recommend to verify the driver's profile. Go to the menu on the top right and select Driver Profile. Please make sure the information is correct, carrier name, your rule set, and the home base time zone. Up to 2 drivers are allowed to log on the same mobile device. Records and logs are generated for each independent driver, showing the other driver as co-driver. To log on a second driver, go to the top right menu and click Co-Driver Login. Enter the co-driver's username and password and log in. You can now switch drivers from the main menu page by just tapping on the name of the driver. The driver should create a shipment on the mobile app. To do so, please select the option Shipment from the menu. Here, you enter the correct start time and select an end time. Make sure you use the correct shipper, number, and the commodity that you are transporting. The information here that you provide must match the driver's supporting documents. In the top right corner of the application, you will see 2 letters, M and D, which are indicators of malfunction and diagnostic errors. If any of these indicators turn red, please contact your support personnel. To identify the specific ELD malfunction, run the diagnostic option from the main menu. The principal screen is where duty status changes are made. There are 5 main status for the driver to pick from. You can tap on any of the following duty statuses: on duty, driving, sleeper, passenger, yard, personal, or off-duty status. Please note that upon tapping on any one, a confirmation screen will show up where you will be asked to enter the vehicle's odometer reading. The application automatically calculates the different times at which a violation will take place. For every possible violation, a visual notification is generated so that the driver becomes aware of the upcoming violation and takes preventive action. This notification is generated 30 minutes before incurring a specific violation. The driver is also notified right after a violation took place. Please, we recommend to frequently check the remaining session on the principal screen to remain aware of the remaining driving time. Every duty status change must be certified before exporting the driver's logs. To do so, you can select the Certified Logs option from the menu to list all unverified logs. Select each day by tapping on it and clicking on the Certify button. Then click Agree. At the end of each 24-hour period, the ELD will automatically prompt the driver to certify logs for the last 24-hour period. You will also be prompted during the driver login and logout of the application. To make edits to the logs or to add annotations, you can do so from the logbook section. Simply swipe left and right to select the day and go to the Logs option. Here you will see a list with all the different status changes for that day. You can choose to add remarks by clicking on the top right button. You can also choose to edit an existing record. Simply select the edit icon and make any necessary changes. Input the mandatory remark explaining the reason for your change and click Confirm. Remember that driving time cannot be changed. Daily on-duty and possible violations will be calculated according to the new record changes. If an authorized federal agent requests to see the driver's logs, you can do so from the Logbook menu. From the main screen, go to the menu option called Logbook. Once in the Logbook, you can select the option on the top right that says Export ELD Data File. The first option is to save the ELD data file locally on your phone or tablet. Simply select a date range to export and click OK. The driver's logs file is then automatically created in a directory called HOS folder inside the storage of your phone or tablet. You can later choose to email this ELD data file to an email given to you by the authorized agent. The second option is used during roadside inspection, and the ELD data file is saved on the DOT's external storage device. A validation is first made to confirm that the attached external storage is a valid FMCSA-defined device. Please use the appropriate USB cable to connect the mobile device to the federal agent's laptop or to the agent's USB memory stick. Remember that you need to carry an on-the-go USB adapter to insert the agent's external memory. The third option is to send the ELD data file to the FMCSA's public web service. You can also choose to display or print the logbook by selecting the Print Display Logs option. In this case, you can print the PDF file saved on the local HOS folder. If you are stopped by a roadside agent, select the DOT inspection button on the top right corner of the main screen. If you want to have your logbook ready for the last 8 days, select Print Display Logs. Enter a comment and hit Export. Automatically, a PDF will be created that includes information for the last 8 days. Please note that the ELD is locked, and if you want to go back or make any changes, the driver must re-enter his or her password in order to unlock the ELD.